Ashlee.
Hey Nia,
Where are you?
I'm currently in Zanzibar, Tanzania.
Tell us a bit about Zanzibar.
Well, Zanzibar is absolutely stunning. Some of the most beautiful beaches I've ever seen in my life.
Dope. What type of activities can be experienced there?
So you can do some really authentic experiences like go out on Dhow boats. You can visit places like Prison Island, or you can also go to the Stone Town, which is one of the most authentic towns available in Zanzibar. So it's a really cultural experience.
Nice. So what's been your favorite moment?
I'm definitely going to say going for the tea ceremony at Emerson in Stone Town. It was just really nice to be part of a cultural experience that will be traditionally done in Zanzibar.
Oh, so who are you traveling with?
I'm traveling with the Curious Traveler.
So does Zanzibar match your expectations of Africa?
Yes and no. I think a lot of the time when you go to Africa, you have an expectation of safaris and small villages and things like that, but Zanzibar has a lot of food, a lot of culture.
Okay. So why did you choose to travel Africa?
I chose to travel to Africa because I feel like as black content creators, it's our job to showcase Africa in the light that it should be seen in, and not just as safaris and poverty, but it has so much riches to be offered and it needs to be seen.
What would you say to anyone who hasn't started exploring Africa yet?
What are you waiting for?